It's an exciting time here at Berthon Power as we take delivery of the first Cox Powertrain CXO300 delivered to us from the state-of-the-art production line at Cox Powertrain. Berthon Power is the sole UK and Ireland distributor of the CXO300, and shortly Berthon's Cox-approved engineers will be fitting this outboard to a 7.8 metre rib here at our facilities in Lymington. The Cox Powertrain CXO300 diesel outboard offers a 25% better fuel economy, 60% more torque and 3 times longer lifespan than the equivalent 4-stroke outboard. Extended sea trials of the CXO300 are available from our marina here in Lymington. For more information, please contact me, Simon Barnett, on 01590 647 448 or email simon.barnett@berthon.co.uk.